Hello everyone, I Anushka is here to highlight the concept of subject museum. Friends, subject museum refers to the creative way of learning wherein the subject expert deliver high quality education using the exhibit and having hand-on experience to make the lesson and idea more clear all types of students community. This innovative concept was introduced by our Honorable Founder President Dr. R. Varadarajan, which was well taken care by our officials and teachers. So let me give a brief description about the subject museum conducted in our NS Primary. We were indeed overwhelmed to witness all these historical events, models and pictures which gave us a very crystal clear pictures of Shivaji's complete childhood. We are very thankful to our beloved Sir Dr. R. Varadarajan for organizing the event like Subject Museum for us. Thank you, sir.
अंश पर कन्नजमी कंस पर धूमलिच्छ वंश पर शेर शिवराज है।
जय भवानी जय भवानी जय शिवाजी जय शिवाजी जय भवानी जय भवानी जय शिवाजी जय शिवाजी।
Welcome to the museum. It was conducted on the history subject based on one of the bravest and enlightened ruler of India, that is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
जगदम्बा 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 छत्रपती खड्गधर कवडीमाळ चापधर वज्र तेज रुद्र स्वर जगदम्बा 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 जगदम्बा।
His complete childhood and education was described with the help of pictures, real objects and models in the museum. Before Shivaji's birth, Maharashtra was under the direct and cruel rule of Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. They were sworn enemies of each other and used to harass the subject. Jizamata, who had seen all the suffering of the Maratha people as well as of her husband Shahaji Raje, wanted to make her son a great Maratha warrior who would give happiness to the people and establish Hindavi Swaraj. All the pictures and charts related to this were described and narrated by the students participants. Some students were also dressed up as other Adil Shah, Nizam Shah and Jizamata, which added more color in the museum. Next, we saw the birth and the birthplace of Shivaji Maharaj, which was well described with the help of models of Shivneri Fort and the pictures of the birth of Shivaji Maharaj.
सुलभा पाळणा पाळणा पाळ शिवाजीचा सुलभा पाळणा पाळणा पाळ शिवाजीचा चंद्र कसा हा इंद्र शोभतो पुत्र जिजाऊचा चंद्र कसा हा इंद्र शोभतो पुत्र जिजाऊचा सुलभा पाळणा पाळणा पाळ शिवाजीचा सुलभा पाळणा पाळणा पाळ शिवाजीचा।
Shivaji's education. We got a glimpse of Shivaji education right from the childhood, where his mother Jizamata was his first teacher who narrated him the story of Ramayana and Mahabharata and motivated him by telling the stories of brave idols Rama, Krishna, Bhim and Arjun.
पहिली माझी ओवी गा माझ्या जिजा भवानीला जिन दिस दाखविला सोनियाचा दुसरी माझी ओवी ग माझा शिवबाई केलं राज्य पृथ्वीचे करील बाळ माझा.
We witness the models of great saints like Tukaram, Dyaneshwar and Samarth Ramdas, whose devotional songs were taught to Shivaji by his mother. At the age of 7, he had started to learn many warcraft skills. Also, Shivaji was given training for how to use the swords, dandpatta, horse riding, wrestling, etc. from skilled teachers. Models and pictures of the weapons used at that time were kept for display in the museum. Shivaji had many friends given from the poor families. Sometimes he visited their huts and shared their simple meals of onion and bhakri. He and his Maula friends invented many interesting games for the pastime. That was building small forts of earth and making earthen elephants and horses, playing with the top and ball, hide and seek, imitating the birds and animals' sound in the forest, etc. All these events get beautifully described with the help of the pictures and models and real objects of their play like the clay elephants and horses. When he came at the age of 16, he took the oath of Swaraj in Rajeshwar temple so that his subjects were free from the Mughals and have Hindavi Swaraj in the kingdom. There were pictures depicting this in the museum.
देश आणि धर्म यांच्या सेवेसाठी स्वराज्य उभारण्याची शपथ आज आम्ही घेत आहोत. जय भवानी.
उमाट्यावरी सर्जाला उमाट्यावरी सर्जाला मरगळलेला मावळ उठला.
तुम्ही स्वतंत्र हिंदवी राज्य निर्माण करा. स्वराज्य आणि सुराज्य हे राज्य व्हावं ही तो श्रींची इच्छा आणि ते होईलच.
He, along with his Maula friends, took rigorous training and captured the Torna fort, which was his first achievement, and after that he did not stop. There were amazing models of Torna fort made by our students, friends in the museum.
मासाहेब, आम्ही आपल्याला शब्द दिला होता ना, स्वराज्याचा भगवा ध्वज तोरणगडावर आपल्या हातानं फडके. तो शब्द खरा केला या मावळच्या मुलांनी.
Further, he had captured and took charge of many hill forts, forest forts, and sea forts. In the museum, we saw models and pictures of the forts like Pratapgarh, Raigad, Sindhudurg, Vijayadurg, etc. All this was possible because of the great visionary Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who had the passion and determination to attain Swaraj. Also, this was due to the wholehearted support and dedication of the brave Maratha Sardar and the Maula friends.
राजे, आपण गडावर सुखरूप पोहोचेपर्यंत आमच्या हरामासाठी तरबंदी करून सुट्टीला होतो.
शूराम सरदार आम्हाला काय कुणाची देव देसन धर्मा पायी प्राण घेत
पण सिंह गेला.
In the museum, we also came across the picture and the charts that describe about the important incidents and events that took place during that time. Shivaji Maharaj has always shown his bravery and valor in the incident that occurred become superior. There were important incidents like the death of Afzal Khan. The discomfiture of Shahista Khan. Shivaji gave the slave to the emperor, etc. All these were placed in the chronological order so that the student understand one by one more effectively. The coronation ceremony for this great legend was held in the year 1674 with the great pomp and happiness all around.
नाही कोणा पुढे झुकला, नाही कोणा पुढे वाकला, अशा माझ्या शिवबाचा आज आहे राज्याभिषेक, आज आहे राज्याभिषेक, आज आहे राज्याभिषेक. हे हिंदू शक्ती संभूत दीप्तितम तेजा, हे हिंदू शक्ती संभूत दीप्तितम तेजा, हे हिंदू तपस्या भूत ईश्वरी ओजा, हे हिंदू श्री सौभाग्यभूतीच्या साजा, हे हिंदू नृसिंहा प्रभू शिवाजी राजा.
As the Maratha kingdom got their new king who was the real caretaker of the subjects. This brave legend, who was an effective organizer, skillful diplomat, an efficient general and military strategist, an enlightened administrator who had respect for women, also termed as the founder of Maratha Empire, the father of Indian Navy, the Shrimanta Yogi Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was no more on 3rd April 1865. But even today, we all have this great idol in our heart because of all these above reasons. As with his all great qualities, he showed us the way of life. Every year in his remembrance, we observe the 19th of February as Shiv Jayanti across the country. So let's all of us one time hear for him. Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji.
जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा, जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा. रेवा वरदा कृष्ण कोयना भद्रा गोदावरी, रेवा वरदा कृष्ण कोयना भद्रा गोदावरी, बालपणाचे भरती पाणी मातीच्या घागरी भीमथडीच्या तटानाया भीमथडीच्या तटानाया यमुनेचे पाणी